Hi, this is Deborah Baker with TrustedCISO, and today we're going to be talking about how to break into cybersecurity. High school student, college student, non-technical, mid-career, wherever you are basically, there are 3.4 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs. And this is from the ISC Squared Cybersecurity Workforce Study from 2022. So there is a job for you. You can get certified. You can sign up for a paid apprenticeship, internship. There's networking opportunities like at the ISSA or Women in Cybersecurity. These are all great, ways to meet other people that are in information technology / cybersecurity. And at the Capture the Flag competitions, when I was at Cisco, they said that they would actually scout for potential employees at these Capture the Flag competitions. And then you can also volunteer. I know you probably, would rather have an internship or apprenticeship. The biggest thing is to get some sort of work experience. And even if it's just in information technology, there is a lot in information technology that actually overlaps with cybersecurity. And I think it's a great place to start to get into cybersecurity. It's a great foundation. Training and certifications. One of the ones that I've been talking about is the ISC Squared. They have 1 million free certifications and training, and they've released the first 500,000 in 2022. So you want to look into that. There's free training by AWS, Google Cloud. Cybrary.it is a great place to go for free training, and of course YouTube. Now, I came up with this path to cybersecurity in 2016, but I think it's a really great way to see, how to move into cybersecurity. One thing is IT and networking experience. There is a lot of overlap with cybersecurity, and it's a great way to start your career. So don't, just be focused on it has to be cybersecurity. For each one of these, I've actually linked to training in YouTube, and you can see the links below. But essentially, if you don't have any IT or computer experience, then you're going to want to do an intro to computers, understand operating systems, and then do an intro to networking. If you do have networking experience or IT, then make sure that you have Linux or Unix experience. And once you do that, then you'll go over and you'll take the security principles and computer security basics. And then you're going to want to do pen testing. And just a word of warning, pen testing, like actual companies, that is illegal unless you have, special, you've got an agreement that you're going to be pen testing them. So you could go to jail. So Kali Linux is very powerful, has tons of hacking tools. It's free, and I recommend it, but just in your lab environment or on your, home lab network. And then go to the intro to cryptography. Everybody needs to at least have a foundation in that. And then finally is threat modeling, and that's more like sophisticated topic. Now, Homeland Security has this free cybersecurity internship program, and actually you will get paid, which is really cool. So definitely look into this. I think this is a great opportunity. The U.S. has, and this is with the Labor Department, this paid cybersecurity apprenticeships, because one of the biggest things in getting into cybersecurity is just having that work experience. And I've talked to people that actually have a degree in cybersecurity and they couldn't get a job because they didn't have work experience. So if you are a student, make sure you get an internship. And if you're trying to break into it, get some sort of apprenticeship. And finally, please hit like and subscribe, and I will be doing more videos along this line, and then also demystifying cybersecurity in 10 minutes. Thanks for listening.